Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a whale. Let's start off by drawing a large rounded shape like so for the body of the whale. Have the shape pinch and curve up slightly on the right side for the start of the tail. For the tail, continue the top line up and draw a leaf shape for one fin, followed by another leaf shape for the other fin, going back down to the bottom line like so. Add a dot over here for the eye, and a few curved U-shapes on top for the water spout. And now you've got a whale.